Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to switch to default system language on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library, scroll down and click on settings app. You will see, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and you will see general management is here. Click on this icon and click on general management. You will see first option is language. Click on language, and if you want to switch to default system language, click on default system language and click on here, and you will see language is changed. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can switch to default system language on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.